Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm Miss Lisa, and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about everything I want to, science and math. And what we're going to do today is we're going to use our TI-84 graphing calculator. This works for our 82 or our 83 also, to do a binomial distribution. So this is I already told you in a different video that your calculator will do lots of statistics stuff. And in fact, lots of statistics stuff I don't understand because I took statistics back in the day when we didn't have these calculators. And so you need to, if you're doing statistics, you need to find more videos. But this will give you a little taste of something it can do. All right, so we're going to turn on your calculator. I'm going to clear out what's there so it starts off nice. And we're going to go to stat. And we want to put in numbers. So our first list is supposed to be 0 through 7. Now, I've already done it. So I'm going to clear this out so I can show you how to get that one too. Delete. It's not wanting to do that. Hold on, we have these in here. Let's see if he'll let me get rid of those now. Now it will. It was just stuck for some reason. Okay, so first you're supposed to put in 0 through 7. And how you do it is you just type in 0. It ends up on the bottom. You hit enter and it pops it up there. Okay, so that's our first thing. Then we quit out of that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tell it to do a binomial distribution. So where we're going to do that is this button right there. See that where it says VARs? We've never used that. And see behind it says distri. That's for distribution. So we're going to say second VARs, and we're going to arrow down to where it is binomial PDF. Okay, and we're going to hit enter. We want it to have 7 trials because we have 7 households at random that of 80% of all United States households, if you did 7 at random, you're going to find out the distribution, okay? So there's our 7 households, and you know percents written as a decimal is, you move it over 2 places, so 80% is 0.8. You leave X blank, and we say paste, and that puts it on our math screen. We hit enter, and there it is. But we want to take those answers and put them in list 2. So we're going to push this button that says stow arrow, and it says answers, and where we want it to be is list 2. Do you see how that says list 2 right there? So we're going to say second 2, and it's telling us to put the answers in list 2. Okay, and now if we go back to stat, dun, 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 there they are. Now we want to graph them. So we're going to go to second y equals to stat plot. If you're, and we're going to select it, and we're going to turn it on. Now we're going to arrow down and go over to the bar graph. We're making a bar graph. A histogram is its fancy name. And we want X list to be L1, frequency to be L2. Now, on yours it might not say L2 here. If it doesn't, just arrow down here and do second 2, and that will make it say L2 there. And mine is going to be a red graph, okay? Next we go to window, and they tell us that they want the lowest X value to be negative 0.05, the X max to be 7.5, the scale to be 1, the Y max to be 0.5, Y minimum 0, Y maximum 0.5, and the scale 0.1. So just type those in. You don't have, like, if there was something else there, you just write on top of it. You don't have to delete. You write on top. Okay? Now we go to graph, and dun-dun-dun, there it is. We made a beautiful bar graph. All right, so here's another one, some more for you to try, but this is pretty fun. I like it when you get to do fancy things with your calculator. All right? Like, share, subscribe. Math is great.